JetBlue Card Review 2025 Worth it or leave it? If you fly JetBlue frequently or are considering a travel credit card in 2025, you've likely wondered whether the JetBlue Card is worth signing up for. With so many airline credit cards available, it can be tricky to figure out which one gives you real value. Today, we'll break down everything you need to know: rewards, perks, fees, real-world usability, and whether it's a smart choice for your wallet. Most people get this wrong by focusing only on the free flight perks, but here's why there's more beneath the surface. First, let's cover the basics of the JetBlue Card ***. This card is issued by ***CD** and is designed for travelers who want to maximize rewards with JetBlue flights. As of 2025, there are several versions, including the JetBlue Card and the JetBlue Plus Card which offers slightly different perks and fees. Both are built to reward loyalty with JetBlue, but the Plus Card tends to come with higher rewards and additional benefits for frequent flyers. Understanding which version fits your travel style is the first step in deciding if it's worth it. One of the most compelling features of the JetBlue Card is its rewards program ***. Cardholders earn points for every dollar spent. For the standard JetBlue Card, you typically earn ***2 points per dollar once spent on JetBlue purchases and ***1 point per dollar won on other purchases The JetBlue Plus Card ups this to **6 points per dollar won on JetBlue purchases ***2 points at restaurants and grocery stores and ***1 point on all other purchases These points can be redeemed for free flights, seat upgrades, and even in-flight purchases with points value typically around **1.5 cents per point for flights. For frequent travelers, this means a simple $500 flight could translate to 3,000 points or roughly $45 in rewards, depending on redemption options. You won't believe how quickly these points add up if you use the card consistently for everyday spending and flight purchases. Next, let's dive into the sign-up bonus As of 2025, the JetBlue Card often offers a bonus ranging from *40,000 to 60,000 points after spending a specific amount within the first 3 months. That's enough for at least one round-trip domestic flight or several short trips. Many people miss this opportunity because they don't time their application strategically. If you plan to book travel anyway, applying for the card before a major trip can maximize your bonus rewards. The surprising truth is that a single sign-up bonus can cover the cost of several months of flights for the average traveler. The cardholder perks also deserve attention. With a JetBlue Plus card, you get benefits like free first checked bags for you and up to 3 companions ***50% savings on in-flight purchases and no foreign transaction fees These perks alone can save a family hundreds of dollars per year if you travel regularly. Even the standard card offers *20% back on in-flight purchases and no annual fee, making it accessible for travelers who fly occasionally. Many people overlook these smaller perks, but they accumulate over time and make a noticeable difference in travel costs. Now, let's talk about fees The standard JetBlue Card has no annual fee which is ideal for casual travelers who want to earn rewards without extra costs. The JetBlue Plus Card carries an annual fee of $99 While this might seem like a drawback, it can easily be offset if you take advantage of the card's perks, like the free checked bags, which typically cost $35 per bag per flight. For example, a family of 4 traveling round-trip twice a year could save $280 just on checked bags, making the annual fee more than worth it. Most people get this wrong by focusing solely on the fee without calculating the potential savings from perks. Interest rates are another important consideration. Both versions of the card have variable APRs typically ranging from *18% to 25% depending on your creditworthiness. Carrying a balance is not recommended, as interest charges can quickly outweigh the value of rewards. The key is to treat the card as *** travel rewards and convenience tool ***, paying off balances monthly to maximize benefits. For frequent travelers, extra travel benefits make the JetBlue card stand out. Cardholders can take advantage of no foreign transaction fees expanded reward redemption options and priority boarding for the Plus version If you fly internationally with JetBlue or plan to redeem points for premium cabin seats, these features can significantly enhance your travel experience. You won't believe how much more comfortable and cost-effective travel can be with these small perks. Another key aspect is point redemption flexibility JetBlue points can be redeemed for Blue cash fares, mint flights, and even more space upgrades Points can also be used for vacation packages and hotel stays providing versatility beyond just airfare. Unlike some airline cards that restrict point use to specific routes, the JetBlue card gives you a wide range of redemption options. For example, redeeming points for a Mint class seat on a cross-country flight can offer exceptional value, sometimes exceeding 2 cents per point, which is higher than the standard redemption value. For budgeting and planning, the CT mobile app is a powerful tool. It tracks your points, shows upcoming flight options, allows bill payments, and even provides alerts for bonus point opportunities. This level of transparency and control makes it easy to maximize rewards and avoid missing out on potential savings. For example, if a limited time promotion offers 3x points on certain categories, the app will notify you so you can make strategic purchases. Most people underestimate how much these tools can boost overall rewards without extra spending. Let's consider a real-world scenario Suppose a frequent JetBlue traveler books 10 flights per year at an average of $350 each. With the JetBlue Plus card, earning 6 points per dollar spent on these flights would result in 21,000 points annually plus additional points from everyday purchases like groceries and dining. That could easily translate to at least $300 in flight rewards plus free checked bags and in-flight discounts. Over time, these benefits could outweigh the annual fee and make the card a highly valuable travel companion. Credit building potential is another advantage. The JetBlue card reports to major credit bureaus so responsible use paying balances on time and keeping credit utilization low can boost your credit score This is particularly valuable for younger adults or travelers looking to establish or improve their credit history. Many travelers focus only on the travel perks and ignore the long-term financial benefits of building credit. Now, let's weigh the pros and cons for 2025. Pros. High rewards on JetBlue purchases, especially with the Plus version sign-up bonus can cover multiple flights, free checked bags for you and companions, Plus version and flight savings, and priority boarding, no foreign transaction fees, flexible point redemption for flights, upgrades, and packages. Credit building potential. Cons. Annual fee on the Plus version $99 high APRA if balances are carried. Best value requires frequent JetBlue use, limited rewards for non-JetBlue spending with a standard card. So, is the JetBlue card worth it in 2025 ? For frequent JetBlue travelers, the answer is a clear yes. The card provides tangible savings on flights, perks like free checked bags and in-flight discounts, and a generous rewards program that can offset travel costs significantly. Even for occasional travelers, the standard card can offer value through rewards and no annual fee. The key is using the card strategically, focusing on flight purchases, paying off balances monthly, and leveraging promotions and perks to maximize benefits. In conclusion, the JetBlue card is an excellent option for travelers who want to make the most of their JetBlue flights From rewards and perks to credit building potential and flexible point redemption, it's a well-rounded travel companion. Most people get this wrong by only looking at points, but when used strategically, the card can save hundreds annually and enhance the overall travel experience. If this JetBlue card review helped you make a decision, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more in-depth reviews on credit cards, travel rewards, and financial tools. Your next trip and your wallet will thank you.